Hey Blake, this is Jackie Outwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly last week on the phone while you were at lunch with a client, and I told you that I would shoot you over this little 5-minute custom video on how your website's ranking in comparison to your local competitors. So I'm going to go ahead and get started to keep it under that 5-minute mark. First things first, I'm going to go ahead and Google HVAC companies DFW, and this top section right here is the sponsored section, meaning these people are paying for ads. This begins the Google My Business part. If you are not part of that, we would go ahead and add you to it because a lot of times this goes hand in hand with how your website's ranking. If your website's not ranking, this won't rank, and vice versa. And then this right here begins the organic section. So this is essentially where the rankings begin. This top spot and the second spot are both housed by directory links, Yelp and Angie's List. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the first independent contractor that I find in the organic section, which is Baker Brothers. So I'm going to pull up their page, and the first thing that I'm going to talk about is content. So content is any verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the home page. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and grab all of the content on their home page, and I am going to copy and paste it into a word counter that I use. And as you can see, they have about 1,800 words of content on their homepage. I am now going to do the same for your website. Oh, if it lets me grab it. And I am going to grab that and place it in the word counter. And you have about 400 words of content. Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for those words to be stuffed with keywords that are going to bring you up in those Google searches from buyer intent customers. So I would probably add about 1,500 words of content more onto your homepage, all of those after doing research on what keywords we should slip into that. So that leads me to the second topic that I'm going to cover, which are keywords. So what is a keyword? Keyword are these phrases that are placed into Google. So HVAC companies DFW is a keyword. And to investigate those a little deeper, I'm going to go ahead and grab each of your websites, and I place it into an online tool that I use called Ahrefs. So Ahrefs is essentially an online website auditor. Right off the bat, you can see their traffic value is pretty high and that they have a decent amount of organic keywords. And I'm going to look at yours. You have 0, and this isn't 100%, so we'll just take it lightly, but it's pretty accurate. And then you have 5 organic keywords. So I know that we can do a lot of work there. I'm going to go ahead and pull their keywords to show you a little bit more of what I'm talking about. So these top 4 words right here: gas furnace service near me, HVAC services, heating and air conditioning installation, air conditioner repair. If you look right here, you can see that they have a really high search volume, but these are nationwide keywords. What this means is that there's not a location attached, and that someone in Oregon per se could Google this and it would possibly populate this website. Is that the kind of traffic we want to generate? Not really, unless you plan on, hopping on a plane and flying to Oregon and servicing that customer. That's not going to make us money, so that's not the kind of customer that we want to bring in. These with locations attached: air conditioning repair Dallas, HVAC repair Dallas, all of those with a location attached, including all those small surrounding towns and neighborhoods by you. That's the kind of keywords that we want to stick in, because those are going to generate local traffic, and that's someone Googling that because they're looking for a company. They're going to call that company and they need that service. So those are the kind of customers, and that's the kind of online traffic that we want to generate for you. So let's take a look at what your organic keywords are. And you have air conditioning repair Bedford, Texas. So we could definitely do way more in that department to generate you a lot more traffic through your online domain. So the last topic that I'm going to cover for you, Blake, is backlinks. So what are backlinks? Backlinks are essentially anywhere on the internet where this specific website is linked. So somewhere throughout the internet, this website is linked 84 times. Now, in order to outrank them, do we have to have 85 backlinks? No. We could have 40, but we need to have higher power, stronger backlinks, which is what we go for. We go for quality over quantity. So you have 6 backlinks, so we definitely need to add those. So we go ahead and we add ourselves to what they are a part of, but then we keep adding month after month to completely blow them out of the water. That's our goal. Anyways, Blake, I hope this video was short and sweet and informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate these tips yourself. And as always, if you have any questions or would like some more information, I would love to chat with you, get your business goals, and go from there. So I hope to hear from you soon, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.